Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this segment, I'm going to be going over something that is often not taken into consideration when doing questionnaires. Everybody has heard of Qualtrics and some other software that is, quite honestly, sometimes can become quite expensive when you're talking about students that are trying to do original primary study research. So, what I'm going to show you is a free way to putting your questionnaires within Microsoft, within Google Forms, and how to administer this in a succinct manner. I just completed with one of my collaborators grant funded research where the questionnaire was created in Google Forms. So, depending on how you enter Google, if you are already logged into Gmail, you can just go into Google, literally go into Google and get to this screen. Once you're in this screen, everything is much easier. And what I'm going to show you is a sample of what was done in the previous grant. Here's what was done in the previous grant. This was a ACEs questionnaire, and in the first page, oftentimes you have to provide the choice of conducting this research. We have, as you can see in the center, 314 respondents. So this was the front page that we had to put together. Of course, IRB approval was done with this. And then if you take a look, you can kind of formulate your questions in a way that people will be able to complete and understand. Um, so we got some robust answers and some really good data from this. And this took about 6 months to a year to come up, amass all of the responses for the questionnaire. So let me go back here. And so that was a sample, an example of a type of questionnaire that can be formulated using Google Forms. So if you want to start off blank form, you just click on blank form, and this is where we had the ACEs question. So just to save time, I'm just going to type this up, and you could do in the form description. You can put in all of the information that I put in, the phone number of the primary investigator, the principal investigator, and whatnot. So here's the untitled question, and you can say what is your age, and you can put in here choices. So you can even put skip logic in here. So for instance, if somebody says no, then you skip to uh, question number 5. I just gave you an example. So what is your age? And then option 1, you can type in I don't know, 20 to 30, and then you can go in and add some more, and you can make it required or not required. So this is right now not required, and then this is required. So add option, and you can do 31 to 40 and so on and so forth. So you can even add other. So let me click and add other. And you can put in um, the option of clicking anything that you want. So this is a sample of how you can use Google Forms to freely administer without any cost to respondents that may be interested in this. So that's about it. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.